went to go get, try to get some of Aiden's vaccines, and since we have private health insurance, they separate the vaccines in the doctor's offices with private or government health insurance plans, and the majority of people have government plans here in Puerto Rico. So since we had private, they didn't actually have those vaccines in the office. So the doctor said that because they don't pay the doctors the full amount of the vaccines if they're private. If they're government insured, they do pay them all. But if it's private, they don't get the full amount. So it's not in the doctor's best interest to have them. So because we actually pay for our own health insurance, we can't get them. So the doctor said, well, if you bring me the vaccines, I will administer them for you. And so we actually have a vaccine written out as a medicine for Aiden to get. And we went to 2 other pharmacies to get this, and they said we don't work with vaccines in our stores, but we, in our pharmacies, but Walgreens does. So we said, okay, we'll go to Walgreens because Walgreens is a bigger chain and has more things. So we went in here to Walgreens, and sure enough, they did have them. We're like, yes, we finally got it. So we called the doctor, and they said that they would wait for us because they only work till 2 in the afternoon. So that was great. And so then we went to go pay for it, and she said, well, we have a discount because you have a plan, and the total will be for 2 vaccines for chickenpox and MMR, it will be $250. That's with the insurance that we already pay. And so we said that seems a little bit much considering we have a plan that's supposed to cover both prescriptions and doctor's visits, including preventative care for children in the form of vaccines. So we said, is there any other options? We've already tried a centro de vacunación, and they won't do it either because it's private. So anyway, now we have to go tomorrow to Mocha because we found one doctor who does have a few left in his stock that will provide the vaccines. So we shall see how that goes tomorrow. Nobody has the vaccines in the offices.
That's the blame of the government.
Yeah.
The medical insurance to do what they want. They don't push the medical insurance to pay fairness,
right? Pay the doctors
and cover the vaccine. Some insurance do not pay for the vaccination.
Alright, well, we made it to Mocha so we could get Aiden's vaccines finally. They actually had them, and they charged us $61 for the vaccines plus this green paper, which is basically proves it in case he wants to go to preschool or anything like that. So it's $71 and total, and about 4 hours of waiting. And we finally got it done, and he's up to date. So he actually had to get 4 vaccines. We thought he only had to get 2. So thankfully we'll be good and done for the next foreseeable future. He has a few more, it looks like, at 15 months. But for now, he's good, and he needs a big nap. He's been a good boy, poor guy.